Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I remain myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Right. Alright, so today I want to show you a very nice chords. I'm in the key of C, the all white keys. We have a do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, my voice. Alright, so but we'll have a lecture today. I want to show you a Tritone 5. So I'm in the key of C. So let's do this song. I praise you. I praise you. Oh Lord. Right, so Lord. So what are we doing here? What do we have here? We have a tritone, which is the flattened seventh and the major third in the key of G. The third and the flattened seventh inverted. Okay, so but then so that's also the third and the flattened seventh in the key of C sharp, which is why that's always the tritone substitution when it comes to 2-5-1 in the key of C. So you always hear something like 2, you hear something like this 5-1, so 2-5, right, 1. So okay, so but in this case it actually belongs to the G right here. So then I have this E major E dominant 7 chord also, which is the 1 in the key of E1, the third, the fifth, the flattened 7th. So I have it on the tritone, right? So give me that feel. But then you might actually need a bassist, yeah, to make it sound like that real 5. So I praise you, right? Oh Lord. So oh Lord. I praise you, right? I praise you. Oh, in my life, right? So that's where that ends actually. So you can have the 5. So you can always have this 5. You can have it like this in the key of C. For people who play in the key of C sharp, this is yours. For people who play in the key of D, this is yours. For people who play in the key of E flat, this is yours. For people who play in the key of E, this is yours. People who play in the key of F, this is yours. F sharp. And it keeps going like that. It keeps going like that. Right, so and it keeps going like that. It keeps going like that. For people who play the key of A flat, people who play the key of A, for people who play the key of what's it called? What key is this now? B flat, right? Yeah, that's B flat. And then for people who play in the key of B, yeah, and then we're back to C. So we're back to C. So that's it. So that's that on that. So you can always trade up anytime, especially when you have your bassist. So then also for people who've not gotten my intermediate piano course, I don't know what you're waiting for. Is it that maybe you've not heard about it, and which is why I'm doing this. So it's a course over 2 hours where I taught all this stuff. Right. So I taught a lot of stuff there, and I'm sure you can see the flyer on the screen. You get to see my face like you see now. You get to see my fingers. You see my fingers. You see the virtual keyboard. And unlike this, for that you get MIDI files to practice, and also you get PDF also to learn more. Because it's a premium course, so we want you to get all that you can get, all the values from it. So please get it. It's $7.5 for people in Nigeria, $12 for people abroad. Don't mind my voice today. That being said, also please don't forget to support me. How can you support me? By joining the channel membership. Support this channel. You know, it takes a lot to pull all this up, and we need all the support we can get. Right, so please just do support us. God bless you. As the Lord supports whatever you're doing also. God bless you. Bye.